What is the word, y'all? Look, right, look. This is the whole thing for the video I'm doing today. For me, I'm seeing if I could get girls' numbers or IG without talking. So like, I don't know how I'm gonna do it yet with a piece of paper or on my phone, or I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but I'm gonna do it. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get into the video.
Hi. You don't exist.
Okay. That was it.
Huh? Nigga, type! The fuck? And I could hear you too. I could hear you. Why are you not talking? My Instagram? You on my Instagram? Oh, I didn't even. I thought that was like the notes. Could you talk? I'm mad confused right now. I feel like this is a TikTok live. Like it's one of those fucking lives. I'm 15.
Hey, bro.
Hello. That's your Riz? What is that? Instagram? No.
Oh my gosh, bro. Should I talk? No, I'm not gonna talk.
She was beautiful.
Who's behind you? Who is behind you? We look alike. Who's behind you? Does he have a girlfriend? Sorry. You can't talk? What? Why you not talking? Why you not talking? Why you keep asking for my Instagram? Why you not talking? You a squeaker? I heard you breathe out, so I know you can talk into the mic.
Stop asking for my Instagram if you're not gonna talk to me. Your mic is on. Yeah, I know. So talk. You scared? You scared the person in the back couldn't hear you? What you scared of? You scared of me? I'm scary? Alright, so talk. Stop asking for my Instagram. You're not finna get my Instagram if you're not talking. And don't tell me that your mic don't work, because I just heard you breathe out. I hear you tapping on your chest.
Oh man, I liked her. I liked her, bruh. I just couldn't talk. I couldn't do it.
So
I liked her, bruh. I liked her.
You keep skipping us.
I liked her, bruh. Her voice was fire. I gotta stick to it, bruh. I gotta stick to it though.
The whole time.
Thanks. Hello? Live stream?
You live streaming?
On the phone? I don't know what that is.
Instagram, is that what that is? Why you can't talk, mister?
I wanted to jump on the right, bruh.
Oh wow. It's purring. Oh shit, are we recording now? What is that?
Instagram?
Instagram. He said Instagram.
Whose?
Oh, I fucking is! No, you can give him his. I'm not giving him mine.
How irresistible are teasers?
Bitch, he's a hoe! We was bullied by Instagram!